QS stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Quantumscape stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. Now, here's the thing. No, I mean, it's just my 2 cents, but no one else in the space has more than 45,000 videos made. So that's the strategy that I'm using. I mean, I'm telling you it's my 2 cents because I don't want you to just blindly follow me, because, you know, trading carries a high level of risk, so anything you do is your own responsibility. But if I see a full-on second candle close above 961, I'm still going to be risking that 1 risk, but it's going to be that swing here, and I'm going to like let it roll. Pre-market is a bit higher, which I like to see, but it's still not yet enough. So that's going to be the swing that I'm kind of keeping an eye on. I mean, still, mate, it all began lower, so in this correction, I'm just trying to catch that shift. Very simple. That's about it. Like, and if you don't believe me about this shift, well, that's why I can have and actually demonstrate it to you. It was 636 at the time a month ago, so that's where we're at. It's not financial advice, and if you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.